Well, hello there. I'd like to welcome you back to the second episode of The Joy of Makeup. Today I'm going to show you how to do this look. I thought we'd do a happy little winter scene today. Why the heck not? So we got a lot of light blues, dark blues, any kind of blue. Just get out your blues. You can follow my Instagram. It's down at the bottom left-hand corner now. So we just got to apply this light blue. Barely touch it, no pressure. You just got to glide it in. Oh, we're going to have some fun today. We're going to have some fun today. There you go. So now we're moving down to the dark blue. And it's all about blending. You just got to apply it very gently onto the eyelid. And you'll soon see the contrast in the light blue and the dark blue. The contrast is beautiful. Just blending now. You see that? It's turning into a beautiful little sky. A happy little sky on our eyes. And we're back up to the original blue. And we're just blending. Just blending. It's a very delicate process. And we're down to the darkest blue now. We're just adding that generously. But don't overdo it. Don't overdo it. You can be applying this blue and then 1 minute you can think, oh God, I've overdone it. You do not want to overdo this dark blue. It can be too empowering. There you go. Back up to this blue. You just gotta remember the main thing is to have fun. If you don't enjoy what you're doing the wrong thing. There you go. Now we're just adding this little white, this little titanium white onto the eyelid. This will help with the blending process. Don't worry if you don't get it perfect. There's no such thing as a mistake. Just happy accidents. Just happy accidents, okay? We're going up to the titanium white now. We're just gonna add this, just again, don't overdo it, don't overdo it. Back to the original blue now. And it's all about blending. And it's really starting to take shape now. Back to the titanium white. Just add a little bit, not too much. Just barely touch the eyelid. Barely touch the eyelid, okay? If any of you at home decide to try this look, I would be more than happy to receive some photographs of your own work. That would make me certainly very happy. And now we're just applying the blue underneath the eye. Just to add a bit of emotion, just to bring the attention back to the eyes. There you go. Back to the dark blue. And again, we're just blending gently. No pressure at all. There we go. Now we're using the Maybelline Lash Sensational. This is just to obviously put on the eyelashes, to make them stand out, to make them vibrant. We want vibrant eyelashes. This again will bring all the attention back to the eyes. We're moving down to the lips now. And we're just applying that generously. You still don't want to do too much because everything is about the eyes. It's all about the eyes. And onto the top lip. You just gotta scooch it in there, just all the way around. How do I look? In all honesty, I look a little bit miserable, but that's just how I look. And that brings this video to an end. I'd like you to follow the links that I'm pointing at right now. And happy makeup. God bless, my friends.